Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Berthelot from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Today is November 14th, 2024. Here is what we are covering. The Guardian has decided to stop posting on Elon Musk's social media platform X, citing increased negative content outweighing benefits. The decision was influenced by disturbing content, including far-right conspiracy theories and the platform's coverage of the U.S. presidential election. The Guardian will continue to allow users to share its content on X, and journalists will use the platform for reporting. Elon Musk dismissed The Guardian as irrelevant following their announcement. Previously, other organizations like NPR, PBS, and the Berlin Film Festival also withdrew from X for similar reasons. Shifting from social media choices to AI expansion, Microsoft has introduced a new suite of AI models tailored for manufacturing, agriculture, and financial services. Partnering with Siemens, Bayer, and Rockwell Automation, among others, these models are available through Microsoft's Azure AI. This initiative signifies a strategic move to focus on industry-specific tools rather than general-purpose AI. By delivering AI solutions that provide immediate operational improvements, Microsoft aims to address sector-specific challenges efficiently. The partnership with Siemens integrates AI into industrial design software, while Bayer's model helps farmers with crop protection. Additionally, these models are intended to streamline processes and enhance decision-making across various industries, potentially revolutionizing traditional sectors. Speaking of AI applications, the Pentagon is actively exploring solutions to counter the increasing threat of enemy drones against U.S. forces. Among these solutions is the Bullfrog, an AI-enabled autonomous robotic gun capable of shooting down drones with high precision. Developed by Allen Control Systems, this system shows promising results in tests, targeting small drones efficiently. The Defense Department sees potential in this low-cost, precise alternative to expensive munitions and energy weapons. The Pentagon's interest signifies a push toward integrating potentially autonomous systems into its arsenal. If fully adopted, the Bullfrog could become the first known lethal autonomous weapon in the U.S. military's lineup. And now, in the realm of ads and entertainment, Amazon Ads introduced interactive shoppable ads on Prime Video, allowing consumers to purchase items using their remote or a QR code. This new format is part of a growing trend where platforms like Netflix and Roku integrate shopping directly into streaming content. However, not all shoppable ads are equally effective, with challenges in user-friendliness and consumer engagement. Experts caution that consumers need compelling incentives to interact with these ads. Advertisers like VaynerMedia see interest in tools like Roku Ads Manager for shoppable content. Switching back to the digital world, Bluesky has topped Apple's App Store download charts, surpassing Meta's Threads and ChatGPT. The platform, a decentralized social media alternative, gained over 1 million new users post the 2024 U.S. election. Initially a Twitter project launched in 2019, Bluesky became independent before Musk's Twitter acquisition. Users can now join without an invite, offering more flexibility and customization. Key recommendations for new users include enabling two-factor authentication and curating follow lists. Bluesky's familiar Twitter-like interface makes transitioning seamless for former X users. And finally, protecting brands in fashion. Lacoste has adopted a cutting-edge AI-powered anti-counterfeiting solution from Siphim. The technology, called Vrai AI, uses visual analysis to detect counterfeit goods with a remarkable 99.7% accuracy. By focusing on precise details like Lacoste's crocodile logo, the system can authenticate products without altering them. This innovative approach allows brands to protect their reputation and customers with just a smartphone.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.